What is going on, everybody? Good morning. It is Saturday. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, stop right now. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We have a ton of content that you can catch up to. We have podcast episodes, we have vlogs, we have travel vlogs, we have, life in New York vlogs. So make sure you catch up and hit that subscribe button. If you're not new here, welcome back. We are going to share a little bit of our Saturday routine today. So it is Saturday morning. I had just woken up. I'm trying something new today, and it's like changing, even if I don't immediately get into the shower, like just changing and getting into like workout clothes so I can like clean around the house and do stuff. I tend to stay in pajamas, and that's kind of like cozy vibes, and like you just want to be comfortable. So today I just decided to like switch it up. So I changed. I'm going to oil my scalp. I usually wash my hair on Saturdays, and I've been trying to use this new Miel Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil, but the problem is that I do have like a weird kind of like hair where it tends to get greasy right away. So what I'm doing is I'm like oiling it the day that I'm washing it, so it just like it goes in there, strengthens the scalp and it refreshes it, but then I can wash it out so it's not like greasy and crazy throughout the week. So that's what I'm gonna do. I already did my skincare routine. I washed my face, I put some toner, some sunscreen, and some vitamin E oil. And then I'm just gonna clean the house. Kevin is in the office editing our podcast, and I look crazy. But then we're going to go out and like go grocery shopping, do some cleaning around the house, and just do regular Saturday things. So we decided to just like vlog our day and share it with y'all. So let's go right ahead and get into this scalp, honey. Let me see if you can see it. Let's oil this baby.
What's up?
You're screaming in my ear.
I've been up for like 3 hours already, so.
Yeah, so I'm just getting started, but he's been up.
Yeah. Did laundry, edited the podcast, gonna break it down in some clips. I guess we're taking down the tree today. I don't know what you told the people already.
Oh, I didn't say that. Yeah, we're gonna take the tree down. That's part of the cleaning.
Yeah.
Cleaning. Take the tree down. It is already going into the second week of January, so it's sad, but it has to go. It's dying.
It is.
So we need to take it down today. So that's part of the routine today. Not usually, obviously not.
I was
like
trying to wake you up for the gym, but you were like dead, so I just left you there.
Yeah, I've been trying to go to the gym more often and work out, but we'll see how that goes. I like sleep, so we'll see. We gotta start somewhere, right? But yeah, I just got oiled my scalp, so I can wash it out later, but I'm just gonna continue cleaning and then make my coffee, and then we go out grocery shopping. So let's do this. is over. No tree. It's so sad. Look at the mess. The mess in here. Holy cow. So now that the tree is out, we usually have our bike rack right here. We kind of readjusted and put it there for like the time being. But it was kind of causing the dining area to be a little bit tight. So we are gonna move it back today and put it right there. So we're gonna move the bike, make sure everything's reorganized, and sweep and mop, of course, because there's tree everywhere. So that's it, the tree's gone. Lunch break.
Sheree just came back in Real Housewives of Atlanta. You know, we only on season 8. We catching up, but you know, a little crazy. Sheree back.
Yeah, a little lunch, housewife intermission, and our cleaning day. We're basically done cleaning, doing inside stuff, so it's gonna eat, get ready, and go out. Alright, babe?
Gotta run a few errands, get some food. Mom's coming over tomorrow, so we're gonna cook for her.
It's so loud in the background. So we cleaned the house, we did laundry, we took the tree down, cleaned both bathrooms, Kevin cleaned the office. It's squeaky clean in here. I have all my candles burning. The only thing we have to do is like obviously put the clothes away once we, you know, finish drying it and everything. But now I think we're gonna head out and go to the grocery store. So basically our Saturdays consist of like cleaning up, tidying up, and running errands. So we're gonna go out, get some food shopping done, get some fresh flowers for the house, and just get stuff that we may need for the week. But that's basically it. We just, you know, clean up, run errands and stuff. Before, pre-pandemic, we would have like went to lunch, to brunch, or whatever, but this is fun now. So I washed my hair, I like, you know, diffused it so I don't have to go outside with like wet hair. But yeah, so we're just gonna go get food, and then try to figure out like what's for dinner tonight. We're probably gonna get a rotisserie chicken from Costco because that's Kevin's favorite, and eat that. And then tomorrow his mom and his brother are coming over, so we're gonna make dinner. I'm excited to cook for them. I love cooking for people. It's just like such a generous and like genuine way to show someone that you love them, is to like feed them. So, and cooking with intention and stuff. So I'm excited for tomorrow. But as far as today, just running errands. Kevin was taking a nap on the couch, so let's go see if he is up.
And shreds through the Buffalo D. Good block from Pascal. We're talking about these wide receivers.
Look at the sunset.
So we are at Costco Chicken,
It's not called that.
but their $5 chickens are amazing. Just finished Trader Joe's. We were gonna go to Stop and Shop, but changed our mind. But it's a beautiful night, you know, a little cold, but we're here.
Yep, we're here.
Chickens are fresh out.
So a rare occasion just occurred. We got the fresh batch of Costco chicken.
How do you feel about that?
I'm feeling pretty good. You know, it's gonna be a good dinner tonight, obviously. So let's just finish up in here. It's already a good start, though.
Is down. I think they were ruling that Akers was down before the ball came out. It's Bobby Wagner who's injured.
All right, guys, we're back home. We just did all of our grocery shopping for like ever. We got so much stuff. We were running low on a couple things, so we stocked up.
Yes.
We got our fresh flowers. We have our chicken for tonight.
Need that.
Very important. And yeah, we're good to go for the week. So this is usually what our Saturdays consist of.
Well, usually we start a little earlier. My preference is to get out by 7, 8 a.m. But today, you know, we did some things in the house first. We usually do the shopping first.
And I slept.
And she slept.
Yes.
And it was crowded.
It was crowded today, yeah. I didn't get to get much footage in Costco because it was nuts.
And they ran out of blueberries.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Early start seems to be the way to go.
Whatever. So next time we'll go out early. I mean, we usually do, you know? So it's fine.
I let her sleep. Usually I wake her up too. I let her sleep today.
Yeah. So thanks for that. But yeah, this is what our Saturdays consist of. Obviously, before pre-pandemic, we used to go out to brunch and, you know, have friends over, go for drinks or whatever. But this is just as rewarding. We are doing a lot of cooking in the house, intentional cooking, so it's fine. Obviously, we do miss that kind of like going out or whatever, but this is just as good. So this is our vlog for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't yet, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. We will see you next time. Peace out. Say bye, baby.
Bye.